Come here. Good girl, baby. We're off. Alice and I are kayaking 170 miles down Michigan's Manistee River, starting near the town of Grayling, making our way west downstream towards Lake Michigan. We're joined by my buddy Adam from the Voyagers and his friend Casey. It's going to take roughly 8 days, and we got about 2 portages, so that's not too bad. We got about 173 miles to go right now, so let's get paddling.
Okay, all right, let's be careful. All right, hold on to the limb. Yep, and I'm gonna pull us over here. All right, I'm over. Okay, so walk it. Now grab yourself that way so you straighten up with me. You know what I mean?
No, stay. Stay. Stay.
Whoa.
Stay. Oh. All right, we made it out of that one. Kind of unscathed. Bunch of crap everywhere. Atlas just a few minutes ago decided to go for a swim. No idea why. It was not a smart idea, Atlas. Yeah, it's a tight turn.
You got a gap up ahead. Right ahead. Let's get you go slow. Oh, God. What the fuck?
Started to rain out of nowhere. It looks good.
This is my bag. Go get the money going. Here. Yeah, that's out.
Hang on, hang on. No, that one, no, come out. She can't park the trailer to walk.
Just throw the hook on over here somewhere and
No,
where to hang around them weeds.
No, I'm gonna do a little tank car out tonight.
I'll put it down there and leave it for a minute.
Yeah, right.
See it in there. Might take them another 5 minutes.
You guys put the cheese on?
Not 5 minutes stop. I'll be ready. Yep.
Oh, shit. This rib, boy. Who's that loose?
Going? Yeah. Soda stove.
Hey, bro, you want some more water? Your oatmeal?
Hey, at least we got a clean boat.
Yeah. Fun. Ain't got veggie over there.
Doesn't have to come to full boil. Boiling. Yes.
I'm in. You good?
Atlas, come on, let's go. Come on, come on. Good girl. Atlas found a friend. Stay. Stay. Oh, what a wet and drizzly day. It's supposed to stop raining by 10 a.m., but it's by about 11, and it ain't looking like it's stopping. This trip was supposed to be in the 60s and nice a couple weeks ago. And then it just kept getting worse. Colder and colder, wetter and wetter. And now we're kayaking in the rain. Not ideal. Just made it.
That's what happened to on the river last time.
All right, we pulled off the river to take a break because it was just getting way too rainy and wet out there and cold. And I think Alice and I decided we're gonna bail, which we never do, just because we were not prepared for this. We don't have the gear or anything. It was supposed to be in the mid 60s the whole week and decent weather, which it's not looking like it's gonna be at all. So I don't wanna deal with it. I don't think she does either. She seems wet and miserable this whole time. Even though we're bailing on this one, we had a good time, and we'll see you on the next Atlas Adventures. Thanks for watching.